Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we go again, another classic car show. This one's over at Ripon in beautiful North Yorkshire, and what a gorgeous, stunning day. It's about 9:25 in the morning, so let's have a quick flaunch round. In fact, I've got another word, flaunch, so let's have a flaunch around. That's to you, Charlie. You come up with that word. Flaunching around. So let's go for a flaunch around. No, a flaunch around. I love these words. Anyway, let's get on with it. It's pretty cool. Convertible, Cortina. That's nice. Very nice. Apparently they only made 20 then, I've just overheard it. Well, it's Cortina. Gorgeous day today, guys and girls. About time and all. We may get a summer in the end. We may get a summer after all. That's cool. Like that. That's quite funny. Let's put a padlock so they won't get in. It's a shame you have to do that, even. Sign of the times we're living in, but that's cool. DB7 convertible. That's a Daimler Dart. They're cool. Mustang. And then we have a Stag. Let's keep going. Mexico. Made in Mexico. Another Mexico. Another Stag. There's your pops. That's pretty cool. What kind of winch is he got? A Rhino. F1. F100. That's pretty cool. Making me young tanks at the moment. I've got a great video coming up for you guys and girls. September will be coming up. There's that cool Anglia. Like them. Cool. Three-wheeler. That's cool. Check the Bentley out. That'll be so comfortable. This is really nice. Mark II Jag. On up. Oh no, it's a Daimler. Get it right, Jace. They'll be all screaming at you. This is a wedding car by the looks of it. Look at that. Lovely. Yes, it's a Daimler. cheap. The set today is absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's really warm, probably feels about 25 degrees.
I've had this, I put this on my tail.
That's pretty cool.
Stop telling people if you can guess it right.
It's a bit on the ugly side. That's pretty cool with a mini.
Right, I'm going to have a quick
With the stabiliser in the middle, the windscreen wipers so they don't go out with sink. More and more cars are turning up. It's nice. It's going to be a stunning day today, guys and girls. Stunning day today, there's no wind. Oh, that's nice. Check that out, Corvette. Very nice. I've actually filmed that before. There's plenty of things for sale, like a big auto jumble here as well. If you've never been to Ripon, beautiful North Yorkshire. It's North Yorkshire, it's Ripon Racecourse. Hi up. There's a nice looking stag. Wonder who owns that. Yes, it's still for sale, ladies and gents. I hate giving the car away. All these muppets who get into it, I give you £7 grand for it, don't talk shite. You ain't gonna get this for £7 grand. So wake up, smell the coffee. There's a really cool Capri. The S6 V6 in it. Lovely jubbly. There's a nice Vantage, it's a V8. There's a V12, that's beautiful. I've actually filmed that one before. That's really nice. Right, I'll film some coming in as well. Let's go. MG. Turning up. It's 25 to 10 in the morning. It's a nice jag. Two-door estate. The E-type. That's a lovely colour. It's like a bronze colour, bronzy brown. That's lovely. Gotta be the tea. Yeah, sound, just like that. That's nice. Like that Chevy truck, that's pretty cool. Next to the old Land Rover. Oh, look at this. My brother likes these tractors. Look at this little minter here. My brother's was a, is it a Fordson Major or something? Fordson Major. So yeah, something a little bit different. The old tractor, get off my land and all that. Check this out, guys, this is killer cool. Looks like it's lowered as well. I like these.
I'm not really sure what make they are.
Anglia, California.
Go outdoors. Yeah, I got them.
Right, this is for you Ford fans. There's a Mexico.
I'm just so excited to go.
And another Mexico.
So excited.
Overhead valve. It's minter. Another one as well. It's nice. Looks pretty good in yellow. And there's purple. There's the blue one. These things are asking crazy money at the moment. Crazy money! If only you knew. I used to pick these cars up for about 100 quid in the 80s. Well, Mr. Bandit's here. I like these. The old Trans Am. Love it. Right, it's gone in 60 seconds. Mustang. Is it 1972? You can tell because I think these used to be that way around on either the 71 or the 7, and then I think they changed them up over. I can't remember which one it is. Put in the comments. I may be wrong. I think that's a 72. Probably tell me on here anyway. Nope. Yeah, the gone in 60 seconds car, Eleanor. Well, what an absolutely gorgeous day here at Ripon Racecourse. I think there's about 2,000 cars here. Absolutely fantastic. All the clubs are here. We're just heading over to the Vet Club now. We've got the Fords here. Fantastic. Get yourselves to a classic car show, guys and girls. Especially the days like today. Beautiful. So this is the Vet Club. As you can see, guys, this place is stuffed. That's a Minter. The Ford Anglia Club are here. Let's have a walk around this club. So here you go, guys and girls. That's nice, nice colour. That's nice. He's all lying there. Big gazebo. So yeah, the proud owners of the Ford Anglia. Here we go on the MGCC Yorkshire Centre Club. Look at this one with never seen a roof like that before. That's an acquired taste. That's nice. That's lovely. Straight 6. Labour of Loving now with the triple carbs. That's nice. That's the best one now. Right, check this 68 Mustang out. Killer cool. Cool. Italian balloon. Probably the coolest car here, in my opinion. Right, guys, that's the end of the show. Everyone's packing up now and they're off. Been an absolutely beautiful day here at Ripon Classic Car Show. But I've got a fantastic video coming up for you guys shortly. It'll be in September, so keep your eyes open for this channel. Honestly, guys, you're going to laugh your head off this next truck I'm going to get. So on that note, see you.